I've been loving all these modern sculptural wedding bouquets I've been seeing all over my Instagram, and I thought, why not attempt to make one for my civil ceremony, and then for the actual wedding I'll do something a little bit more traditional. And right now daffodils are in season, and I just love how bold and cheerful they are. They just scream spring and celebration, so I thought they'd be the perfect flower for my sculptural bouquet. And my wedding is in 2 hours, so we really gotta get started. Okay, so let's get creating. So I picked up this wire pearl stem from Michael's, and I thought it's the perfect sculptural base for my floral arrangement. So my plan is to take my daffodils and tape them from the front and work my way to the back onto the floral stem, and that way they'll kind of cascade naturally following this nice curve, and as the weight is added it will curve more. All right, let's do it because the clock is ticking. The daffodils have this kind of protector petal, so I'm just taking that off because it's not the prettiest. Okay, and then my plan is to kind of start and tape. So let's do you first. I don't have time to move the camera around, I'm very sorry. If you like how this turns out and the video isn't too descriptive and you do want a more detailed video, I'm happy to redo this when I have more time. So just let me know. And I bought, I think, 5 kind of bushels of daffodils. Using floral tape, I'm attaching the daffodils to the pearl stem one by one. I'm trimming the stems to about the same length so they sit neatly, then wrapping the tape around the bunch to hold everything in place. As I go, I'm layering the flowers in a way that covers the tape section so it looks clean and seamless. I want it to feel organic and intentional, like an effortless art piece. That's the plan here. And so far, I'm really liking how it's looking. I'm building it up layer by layer from the bottom to the top, making sure everything's flowing nicely and sneaking in any flowers where there's any bald spots. Okay guys, just looking in the mirror how I'm gonna hold it, and I think I'm gonna do it this way, so then I'll have more flowers cascading. Near the top, I'm layering in more florals to really emphasize that sculptural cascading look. So pretty! Okay. Okay, this is looking great. I'm so happy with how this is turning out. And I have an hour left to finish this and then finish getting ready. But it's kind of nice to DIY something like right before all this chaos, and you know, everyone's out and about getting ready, and I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna be home alone making a floral arrangement. And it's very peaceful and relaxing right before your wedding. But again, this is just my civil wedding and not the whole big shebang. So maybe that's why this feels very calm. Okay, let's tape there, and then that's it. Then I'll go in and add details. I didn't buy any ribbon. I wish I had some ribbon to kind of finish this edge, but that's okay. Maybe I do have some ribbon. I'm gonna go check. I think I have some ribbon in the garage. I'll be right back. All right, I found some ribbon. Okay, so do I want to, like, part of me is like, it looks cool, just the stems, and then I'll have to hold it. Or do I wrap it? This is more traditional. Do I wrap it? Hi, love.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Should I wrap the bottom or leave it green?
Wrap.
Yeah, okay.
I think it'll look nicer and provide stability.
Yes. I finished it off by wrapping a ribbon around the stems and pinning it in place with 2 discreet little pins. Okay, it's almost done. I think just like a little bit more fine tuning just to kind of hide all the floral tape. I am loving how this is looking. And time check, still an hour till we have to be there, so we're doing great. Okay, should I call it? I feel like I could just finesse this forever. This turned out so much better than I thought, and it was relatively quick and easy. I need to run because I have to get to my ceremony, so I will see you there. For under $30 and a little DIY magic and just an hour of my time, I've got my dream bouquet. It feels so fresh, unique, and totally me. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're thinking about preserving your wedding flowers, definitely check out my video on that next.